In this video, I'll show you how to lower the rear seats in your Nissan Rogue first generation. So what you need to do is to find this pin that is on each side of the rear seats, pull it up, this way the seat will be unlocked, and bring the backrest down. Same thing on the other side, and the nice thing is even if you're in the trunk, you can do the same thing. So go ahead, pull the small pin and push the backrest. You may need to give a good push, but you see the front seat is not positioned well over here. So if this happens to you, you just need to give a few taps to lower it or push the front seat a bit more towards the front. This way everything will fit. Now when it's time to pull them back, same thing. A good push, and I suggest you wiggle the seat just to make sure that it's securely held on, because if you're in an accident and this is not securely attached, it will fly over and it may injure the passengers. Same thing on the other side. Bring it like this and make sure it's clipped in place. Leave a comment, subscribe.